Welcome to our guide on selecting the perfect company name in Indonesia. Choosing a company name is a crucial step in starting your business. A good company name should be memorable, unique, and reflect your brand identity. Before finalizing, research to ensure the name is available and not used by other businesses. 3E Accounting offers a free service to help you check the availability of your desired company name. Visit 3E Accounting's website and submit your company name for a quick and free check. You will receive feedback on whether your chosen name is available or if you need to consider alternatives. Once your name is confirmed, you can proceed with registering your company. Remember, after setting up your company, it's important to trademark your name to protect your brand. To trademark your company name, follow these steps. Submit your application, undergo examination, and await approval. Selecting and protecting your company name is essential for your business success. Contact 3E Accounting today for expert assistance.